I move further, I want to explain something about release dates. In any market of the world, company that has December as their year end are more than any other company. That is why in US, once it's in January, February, say they are in earnings season. And over there, because they are well regulated, within within a month, that is a month and a half, that is 45 days after the end of end, the result is in the market. That means as an investor, you can plan easily when factor that will push the price is coming in. And in the market, there are a lot of fundamentals that surround equity market. There are more than 250 factors that surround equity market. But when it comes to fundamentals that really impact equity price is earnings. Yes, women of acquisition, women of new product development, women of new management, they are all good. But at the end of the day, the bottom line is what? Result, which is the earning. That means whether you have a good management or a bad management, result will always tell you this is where they are going. Today, people are looking at WAPCO results that came to the market. Oh, the figures are interesting. Fine. We have heard that they have contracts with Lagos State government. They are expanding. Fine. But at the end of the day, if we had all this news and we see the result, or saw the result last week, and the result is poor, that means nothing is happening there. The impact of all this will be on the numbers they are releasing. And this number comes at a particular time. You know, as you send your child to school, they have term. At the end of every term, they have to give them a report card. You as a father will assess whether the child has performed well. So it is for listed company. They have 3 months as their quarter to release the result to the market. You now know whether the company has done well for that quarter or not. As an investor, it tells you where you have put your money. Is this safe? Can I add more to work my position in that company? That is why earnings release date is very important. I tell every investor that we are investing with rumors, everything, but you don't know the exact date that the earnings will come to the market. You are doing trial and error investment. That's why today we want to discuss on how to use these earnings to maximize profit. Like I was discussing in the office day before yesterday as concerning this topic. I was telling my colleague that if, for example, you know that by March 22nd or March 18, March 20 that WAPCO will release the result to the market, as a good investor, 2 to 3 months ahead, by December, January, you should have been in that stock at a lower price of between 80 naira and 90 naira. As the result hit the market, investor will react. Realize that in reaction to WAPCO result was a bit dicey because people expect that the improved dividend they paid would have moved the price up, and which is every investor expectation that you invest in expectation that price will go up, because every investment in the equity market is against expectation. If it's against expectation, that means you need to know this company when they are releasing their dates and when you should position in them. As we go along, I think I will expose all these things to you. But what I'm giving all this for is that we should understand that no matter how a company is well structured, well organized, the end part of it is their result, which is the earnings. And you know when that earnings should be in the market. To start with, if you look, I said in equity market, for one to trade, it just means you are a short-term player or a trader looking for every opportunity to take advantage of the market to grow what? Your income. That is your first ultimate to be in the market. How will I increase my what? How will I increase my money? How will I increase my knowledge? All these things is why you are